How to fix music not playing on headphone or Bluetooth on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on music app and play music. After playing music, go back and again go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connections and you will see third option is Bluetooth. You will see your paired devices showing here. After watching paired device, go back to home screen and again click on settings app, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, scroll down and you will see last option is separate app sound. So after click on separate app sound, so turn on this button. After turn on button and you will see your apps is here and you will see and disconnect apps and you will see music app is connect. After connect music app, go back to and turn off, turn on, now turn off. Turn off this button, go back to home screen and again play music. You will see music problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not playing on headphone or Bluetooth on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.